Hello, this is Jack, and today I'm going to introduce our new product. It's called HFNC oxygen device, and yeah, I'm going to start with this first. It's called high flow nasal cannula, and the second thing that is I'm going to introduce, it's called heated tube, and the third part is it's called water chamber. Think another one. This is the connector, and the main part. This is our main device. It's called Humidifier. And yeah, now I'm going to show you how to connect all the part one by one. Just keep watching. Alright. The first thing, this chamber, we will take it out from here. Yeah, then we will connect with that. Okay. And now I'm going to show you how to connect all of the parts one by one. The first, we are going to connect this water chamber with that. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to connect this with it, and next should be, I need to connect that heater tube with this water chamber. It's connected, and then we will connect this high flow nasal cannula. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. The last thing, we have to connect the electricity, power. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Did you hear the sound? Ding! Alright, we have this nasal cannula, and it's for oxygen connector. It's basically connect with the oxygen. We will install here, and this side we will connect with oxygen. The device has two modules. One is warm up and cool down, and now I'm going to show you how to use it. Here we will see that setting first. It's a flow setting. We can change it. It's manual. We can change it by ourselves, and then we will see the temperature setting, and it's also manual. We can set up like that, and next we can start from here. Now it's getting cold. You can see it's working perfectly. And it has another module. I already mentioned that. It's called warm up. Alright, that's it. Now I'm going to wear this